Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable WPS button on Spectrum router. So how can you do it? Now some of people might be facing the issue that they're not able to find the WPS button on their router. So how can you fix that? Now first of all, as you can see, like this is the option, or you can say this is the image, reset WPS Ethernet. You might be seeing this WPS button on your Spectrum router. Now these are the old routers which are added by the Spectrum router. They have the WPS button, but if you find the button, these are the steps that you need to follow. First of all, press the WPS button on the router, hold it for 3 seconds before releasing it. This should power it on. To check it if it indeed is enabled, go to the network menu and see if it is visible. Now this is something if you are able to see the enabled WPS spectrum on the router, but if not able to see the this button WPS on your router, you might be facing this problem. As you can see, Spectre no longer has WPS functionality. They disabled WPS because they were following government warnings that it should be disabled due to unpatched security vulnerabilities. Now that depends on you, like which Spectrum router you have. Whatever you have, that depends on you. If you have the button, just press it. If you don't have the button, you just cannot enable it due to the security problems or warnings that they have given them. So that is a simple and easy method of how you can turn it on. And if you're not able to turn it on, so what is the problem and how can you fix that? So that is all about it.